Let me show you how to use your Pixel 7 phone as a webcam in a Mac computer. I have a cable over here. One end is USB regular and a USB-C the other one. So this side goes to the phone and the other side goes to the computer. When you plug the cable, you will see a message pop up, or if you don't see it, you slide it here. You will see here that it say charging this device via USB. You click on there, tap again, and then here you have an option that say webcam. When you select that option, the phone it becomes a webcam. So let's see, here an icon on top, and then there's an icon that shows over here webcam, and there you go. Your phone now is a webcam. And now that it's connected as a webcam on the Mac computer, you go to photo booth. So you go to applications, and in here you search for photo booth. It is here. Double click, you open the camera, and it's asking. It recognizes the camera automatically. See? You can make it bigger or smaller. If you have a tripod, you can use your tripod. And there you have it. For this video, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like it, and I'll see you in the next video.